So when picking sizes together with my patient, I have a sizing kit that I use, and there's multiple sizes in here. And so what the patient does is wear a bra, try on these molds, which pretty much simulate what a breast implant is gonna look in the breast. And then they can wear their favorite shirt, they can bring in their favorite dress, and they can try it on and see which size they like best. Because you don't wanna always go by the cc or the number. A 300cc implant on somebody who's short is gonna look completely different than a 300cc implant on someone who's tall. So the implants actually look like this. This is a 550cc implant, but if I were to put this under your shirt or in a bra, it's gonna look very awkward, look very lumpy. That's not how they look like when they're under your breast. So that's where these sizing molds come in. A 550 sizing mold looks like this, implant looks like this, but it translates into this in real life under your clothes. So that's why we have patients wear a sizing kit. I love using a sizing kit. Ever since these were introduced in the last 10 years, they've really been a game changer in making sure the patients know exactly what they look like.